Hari Om Tat Sat. Now, this reading is not for everyone. If you've been crying silently at night and thinking, okay, what is the communication? Are they thinking about me? They are not telling something. So, if you feel somebody is thinking about you every day, but they will not say it, and you've been crying and dying to get some messages, then this reading is just for you. I understand how you're feeling now. You might be thinking, okay, what are they feeling? What are they doing? Are there any signs to tell that, yes, this person is thinking about me? Or why there is sudden silence? And when will they finally speak to you? All of this will be covered today. And of course, I'm not going to be using only just one deck. I'll mix a couple of decks for you and then give you the reading. So let's see what happens today. Okay, I'm shuffling this, tapping this. Meanwhile, you connect with the energies. Now, there are certain unspoken feelings that are going to be revealed to you. What is this? Hidden truth from them now towards you. 1 or 2 messages. I'm gonna pick this way as well. There are pink angel cards here, borders. Few are purple, few are pink. What are the messages? Let's see. If you needed clarity on is this the right person even? What messages are coming towards you from this? Let's see. Okay. Now, so many cards. One by one, we are going to go ahead and pick so that we get an idea on what's happening here. Okay. Correct. You've done the right thing here. Ask your angels, it says. Definitely, you've come to the right section, because you wanted some definite answers. Okay, so here it says, no, don't stop, ask your angels, the situation will improve, choose a direction. These are the messages. But I'll tell you something about this. Wow, what a beautiful pile here with respect to what's happening with you. So you've been feeling very low lately. You've been crying at night. That was the feeling when I first got the message that, yes, Rashmi, you have to give them, for people who cry at night, who have nobody, who keep helping other people. People come to you for help and you've always been a good friend. You're not a counselor or somebody who has this degree in counseling, is a therapist. No, you're just an ordinary person who has no clue about these therapy words, trust related things, psychology, nothing you know. But just people come to you for advice and you listen to them. You say, hey, you know what, you should do this, you should handle it this way. You help everyone, but at night you have nobody for yourself and you're crying. And I got a vision of this lonely woman who's just sitting and crying. Nobody's there to hug, nobody's there to hold the hand, no love given at the end of the day, and you feel very misunderstood. And this reading is all of it for you. You had to ask your angels, am I heading in the right path? Are they thinking about me every day? Why this person is not revealing? Why are they not telling you? Why they've been so quiet? If you're thinking, I'm patient, I'm waiting quietly, but wondering if they're still thinking about you, and now you're going to feel this in your soul right now. What's happening here? So, are they thinking about you? Ask your angels, it said. Let's see what your angels, you've asked now. You ask your angels. Let's see what the angels are telling. No, don't stop. Okay, the no and the don't stop, I'm taking it together. So, if you've been feeling all of this lately, then no, don't stop. Don't stop at the moment. Continue with whatever you're feeling right now, because that's your journey. The situation will definitely improve if you choose a new direction, new approach. So, is this person thinking about you? Yes, they very much are. But what are they not telling you is the situation, that quiet situation is going to improve. Let's see the messages from your person now. Will the situation improve? Are they going to be quiet forever? Not really. They're not going to be quiet forever, right? So, let's see what we have to pull here. What is the message for you? I feel you even though we are apart. So, obviously, if you clicked on this video, there is some sort of separation happening between the both of you. You both are not connected, or else why would you like to know about what they are thinking? So, there is a kind of, even physically together, there is a kind of distance, or the emotions are not getting revealed to you. And that's why they feel They feel you, even if you feel miles apart with your emotions or distance or whatever. And the timelines have come, like when the messages will come from this person, let's see, and the situation will also improve, but hang in there. There are signs where they are communicating, okay? Why they are silent? Why are they silent? They are so attracted to you, but they are silent. They don't want to tell because they are playing hard to get kind of, and want to gauge the situation, a bit confused with their feelings right now, and that's why they are silent. And when they'll finally speak, we have these two cards for that, when they will finally speak. So hang in there, we'll see when they will reveal things. I knew exactly what I was doing. So they knew when they played with your feelings and emotions, they knew exactly what they were doing, but they couldn't just stop themselves from doing this because there was some kind of attraction towards you, some connection towards you. So what are they thinking of you? What are they thinking? Who are you to them? What they are thinking? So too much work, that is what they feel about themselves and you. You have a lot of work going on with respect to yourself, and too much work. But it's really an excuse to not get involved. That's what they feel about you right now. And that's why they're distancing themselves from you. Because you say it's work all the time, but clearly it's a distraction from something you don't want to address. And that's why you're so invested. Like your life is so bad that you're now running towards work or other distractions to keep multiple assignments at your hand, to feel like an excuse to not get involved with the real core issue there. That's what is written here. And will they finally tell what's going on in their mind? And what are the furthermore messages here? Okay, you've been feeling this lately, that yes, this person is too lost, not telling you exactly what's running in their mind. All of this. You are intuitive, and in a way you know this, that yes, this person is hiding something, they are telling something else and they are doing something else. This is what you're feeling, right? So that's correct. Whatever you felt now so far, it's correct. So the fear of loneliness is killing them right now. You stay in bad relationships because you are lonely. Be okay being with yourself. So this person, they have always been with different people because they're just scared to be alone. They don't like their own company, or they feel judged, or whatever it is. Just don't want to be alone. So they end up in bad situations, or wherever validation is given, this person is going. And you are one of the bad relationship or not, they don't know yet. And they are only staying in such friendships or relationships or acting like they belong to this group because they don't know what else to do here. Wow, that's the reason they are not telling you what they truly think about you. Now, will this see a success at least somewhere? Yes. This person, whoever you're thinking about, somewhere there is success written. And when they will contact you and reveal the exact feelings, staying stuck. You keep repeating old patterns, it's time to try something new. They feel stuck right now. This person, this message is about this person. They feel that they are stuck in old patterns and they want to try something new. That's why they're not communicating this, because trying something new could be seen as something very totally like taboo. So they don't want to talk to you about this, they don't want to tell you about this, and obviously they feel very lonely right now. So let's see more messages, what they are thinking and what they are not telling. I wish things could be different. Obviously, this person wants closeness with you, more open, vulnerable relationship with you, and this whatever distance is happening, separation, physical or mental separation that has happened, this person wants closeness and wants something different. Wish things could be different. It's a very nice way of communicating that. Oh, I wish you were not hurt by me, or wish things, I left you before you could leave me. So before someone abandons, this person abandons, right? So before the fear of someone leaving them, they want to show that you can't leave me, I'm going to leave you, right? So that is the kind of attitude this person has, and that's why that separation has happened. And they will not tell you why they did whatever they did. They're not going to tell you or reveal this to you. So these are intimate things they are going through right now. This is intimacy. This distance between the both of you is in itself acting as intimacy here for you to grow better. I want to be more than friends. Obviously, this person wants a relationship, commitment, marriage, future with you. Obviously, they want, but they will not tell this because of so and so reasons. They're feeling very stuck right now in their life and they're figuring out. I will wait for a sign from you. So the signs, what are the signs here? Let's check after the messages. I will wait for you for a sign from you. So they're definitely waiting for one small sign from you that yes, this will work. So why don't you put that effort? This was much needed, I feel. I remember every detail of that day. So the days you were together, this person remembers every single detail of that day. What you were wearing, what you spoke to them. See, people who observe you or are fully into you will exactly know what happened that day, the entire day. No matter how many years pass by, you might see the first day of togetherness, of very eventful day. You will always remember, negative or positive. Here, this is like a positive thing for them. So they know every detail of you, what earring you were wearing, what bracelet you were wearing, did you wear this color, that color, what you spoke, how that day went. If you matter to them, they will remember, right? So this is it for them. They remember every detail and they might act like, no, I don't know what happened that day. It's fine. You don't matter to me that much because obviously one day you're going to leave me. So I don't want to be vulnerable. So that is why they're not telling you these details, that yes, I want to feel all of this with this person. But if I tell that yes, I remember every detail, they might be feeling that you might think of them as someone who's very overwhelmed with you, like simping for you. They don't want to simp for you, but they actually want to, but won't show it that they want to do that for you. Yes. So because you might perceive them differently. So definitely reconsider this person or the specific person you're thinking about, because within the next few months, this person will come to you. This person will, the timeline we still have, but it again showed a timeline. How lucky. You were just thinking, when will this person come and tell all of these things, ma'am? I'm hearing you say all of these things. So if you ask for a timeline now, then before these cards reveal, this is the revelation here. Within the next few months, this person is going to come to you. So believe in that. Now, why are they silent? We got to know they have their own trauma, they feel romance is definitely on the cards. Wow. Let's see. And what signs you will see from the universe? Not the right time. That is the sign you will see to understand that this is the right person. Because if you are too close to each other right now, you're going to spoil it for each other. Do you know certain relationships need the time, courtship or years to understand each other, because a little bit earlier or little too late is going to ruin the relationship, because it has to happen exactly at the right time. So now's not the time for both of you to be together, and that is why they are not going to say this. Yes, so the hidden truth is they definitely want everything, but they left you because they don't want to feel that you left them. That's been the case for them from the beginning. People have been leaving them. So they want to try something different and leave you first. Look for a sign. So if you just thought, what are the signs that this person will come to me? Then you look for the sign. You will see the signs. Sometimes the signs are just in front of you. You just have the blind eye. You don't see it. Let me not make you wait too much for it. At night you're going to get a message. A drunk message maybe even. Or some message is going to come to you at night, right? And when you least expect it, that's when it's going to happen. When you're like, okay, this person will never reveal whatever they are thinking about me. I don't think I'll ever get the message. Tada! That night you're going to get this message. Wow! This was amazing. Now you know exactly what this person is thinking about you. Every day they want you, but they're not saying it. These cards reveal just that for you. Now to claim this energy, as you know, energy exchange in this world is real. Believe it or not. So hit a like, comment or do something with this video in order to claim the energies. Hari Om.